Hold on. We'll cut the nails also. Okay. Okay, mom. Yes, 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 I will cut the nails. Okay, okay pillow. Okay, okay, okay. Here. Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. ¿Qué pone acá?
Take it. Take it. Take it to lock.
No.
No screaming.
Don't feel.
Don't wait also. भी आवाज काय कर रही हो तू स्टेटस वगैरह का बस वीडियो था इतना बंद पड़ता है
No, not much. No, but.
I do work. Okay.
तुमचं चालला तर मला मोबाईल द्या. ऐकून वाटतं तुम्हाला?
Yes, yes.
उद्या करतो. आता करतो.
थांब जरा. Okay, guys. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Good morning, guys. Good morning to all.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
So I can see only 9 participants. Please ask other students to join. Sorry for the delay, today's delay, because I was searching for the notes and I was trying to download. Come on, start. Ask other student to join, please. Ask other students to join fast. 9:20, I said. It has become 9:23. GPT. Shall we wait others or shall we start? Rishikesh, Mujahid, Onkar.
Yes, sir.
Shall we wait for others or shall we start? Huh? Only I can see 13 participants. Please ask them to join, guys. Please ask them to join. I can see only 13 participants. Surrounding participants, please ask them to join, guys. Okay, we'll start, guys. It's already late. Shall we start? Today I'm going to finish inheritance and then we shall see about virtual functions in C++. Okay, fine. So yesterday I learned about single and multi-level inheritance. Today we shall see about multiple inheritance. So guys, what is the meaning of multiple inheritance? So multiple inheritance is the process of deriving a new class that inherits the attributes from two or more classes. So you can say multiple inheritance can be defined as multiple inheritance can be defined as can be defined as can be defined as deriving deriving a new class deriving a new class new class that inherits the attributes from two or more base classes. So what is the meaning of this statement, guys? What is the meaning of this statement? If I go to paint, so where is my paint? My paint is here. So with respect to multiple inheritance you can define in this case only one single child class, but it has multiple base classes. More than one or more than two base classes. So multiple inheritance can be defined as deriving a new class that inherits the attributes from the two or more base classes, or you can call parent classes. So what the scenario to work with this? So if you look at example in this paint, so this is class 1, this is class 2, this is class 2, this is class 3. You can have a number of classes. So I'm having only one child class. So let me add the relationship here. So instead of this one, okay, better let me go for draw in this fashion. So these all are base classes and this is one child class. So let me add here. Here is a base class. Here's a base classes. These are base classes, and if you look at here, this is child class. This is child class. This is child class, guys. Okay, fine. So look at here. I'm applying for the government schemes. Government schemes to citizen of the country or citizen of the city. A citizen. So citizen can get the government schemes from the government of India, central government, then also can get the controls from the benefits from the state government, also can get the government from the also can get the benefit of the village or taluka or tahsil, or you can call district. Okay, district government. So all this comes under the citizens. So citizen can get the benefit from central government, state government, district government. You can see a three parent classes or three sub base classes, or you can call three super classes. Three super classes are having only one subclass whose name is citizen. So if you look at this example, this examples contains more than two base classes, and whereas only one child class. So only one child class is getting derived from multiple base classes. It is called as This is called as multiple inheritance. So guys, if you how to then how can you able to inherit the features of multiple base classes into single base class? So what is the syntax to work with this? So let me go for the syntax. So here is syntax. So guys, let me add the syntax here. Suppose here is class. Let me add here derived class. Okay, the derived class. Then I have multiple base classes. I have multiple base classes: base class 1, base class 2, base class 3. So here I need to go for uh, access specifier, or you can go for visibility, visibility, visibility. Then base class 1 or B class 1. Okay, base class 1. Then I can go for similar fashion base class 2. Now I want to go for deriving one more class. So you can use comma separated by comma base class 2. You can go for one more base class 3. Like this, you can add a number of classes. Followed by you need to use the opening closing curly brace and semicolon as the class ends with the body. So here you can add the body of the derived class. Body of the derived class. Body of the derived class. So guys, this derived class is getting the benefits from more than one base classes. It's called as multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance, guys. So let's see one example. So guys, let me start my Dev C++. Guys, I can see only 25 participants. Please ask them to join. Keep the message in WhatsApp group. Avdut is there. Avdut is there. Or
Yes, sir.
maybe
Yes, sir.
keep the message in the WhatsApp group. Ask all the students to join.
Okay, sir.
This is my Dev C++. And let me add one file. Okay, fine. I added one source file. So to demonstrate, I'm going to use here hash include. I'm going to write one program. So first of all, I need to include the header file whose name is iostream. So using namespace standard, and here I need to create multiple base classes and one derived class. Okay, here I'll create one or two base classes and one derived class. So guys, this is one scenario. Then class execution starts from main, opening closing curly, and here is return 0, and get care of semicolon and mention here. Okay guys, fine, more than enough. So guys, let me use here class. Class is a keyword, so it should not be uppercase. So class, suppose class A, opening closing curly. This is class A. Okay. Similarly, let me create one more class. So similarly, let me create one more class B. So this is one base class. I want to create one more base class. So we're having only 10 minutes of time in your hand. Okay, meeting is started early, right? Okay, class B, class A, class B, class A, class B, guys. So let me add some of the features, like I'm using a public void. Let me use get A. So here I'm passing integer n. And so this is the body. So let me use here integer n. So I can initialize this tends to this reference pointer. So here n2 initialize with the n. Fine. In this way I can initialize. So add an initializations. This is more than enough. Okay guys. So similarly, I'm going to add one more. Fine guys. So here get B. Okay. Okay guys, get B, get A, get B. So I'm having two different methods. Fine guys. So now let's get one more class. Now look at here. Here is base class 1. So let me add here base class 1, base class 1, base class 1, and this is base class 2. Base class 1 and this is base class 2. Now I want to create one more child class. So here is class C. C class. It's a derived class, guys. It's a derived class for both the classes. Now it's you can call subclass, or you can call derived class. So here you can see here. Let me add now. Let me make these classes are base classes. So first of all, let me inherit the features from class A. Control C. So here let me use public access specifier. Public 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 class A, comma public class B. Okay, I'm trying to inherit the features from class A and class B to class C. Class A, class A features and class B features to class C. So what should I do here? Let me add here public its own properties, integer C. Okay, guys, fine. I want to use same approach. Not getting great. So here get C. That's it. Just I want to show you, is it possible or not? Here is C. Fine. And here ends. Now it's a time to get the object, create the object. So let me get the class C here. Class C. Now C reference. Okay. Now by using C, I want to access these all attributes. These all attribute, guys. Okay. Fine. So, but here you will get confusion, guys. Here you will get confusion. So to avoid that one, I'll use here LM. Here I will use B. To avoid confusion, here I will use N. Okay, M. To avoid confusion, no matter. This is also because that I know this problem will here problem may raise. So to overcome that problem, I'm changing the names. That problem I will explain. Hold on. Wait. So class C. Now I want to access. First of all, let me save this program. So save this program. New day 14 CPP. So here I can call multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance example. So here C dot I can get so here public C element O. So here let me to avoid confusion. So I'll change this also, and this also control S. So I want to get first. So N, M, and O. N initialize with the, so I'm initializing 1 2. Next let me initialize C dot let me initialize O element O. What is next? Let me initialize O N M sum 45. Then C dot O, let me initialize with the somewhat 89. Okay, fine. So it's taking too much time. So guys, I can able to get all the values. All the values, guys. So here I initialize all the values. C dot N. In this fashion also I can initialize. So I want to add here. I want to call those methods instead of directly initializing. So how can I call? We're having only 4 minutes of time, guys. So directly I want to call these methods and let them pass. So get C, get B, get A, get C. So here, let me use those methods first of all. So here, C dot get A, Control C, Control V, Control C. So here, get A, get B, and here get C. So these are from two base classes, and this is from derived class. So here get A, get B, get C. So here these two expect the parameters. So I will pass here 12, I'll pass here 45, I'll pass here 89. Okay, fine. And let me print those values. So C out, and slash n. What should I first print? Insertion operator. First a value is a value is so c dot, let me use here okay, n value is n value is n value is so guys, this is n value. Control C, directly not need not initialize, that is more than enough. Control C, control V, control V. So here instead of n, I'll go with yum, not caps, it's yum, it's o. Here I'll go with o, here I'll go with yum. Fine. So guys, you can see here, control S, control S, control F9, compiling, control F10. We can see all the values, properties. My intention is to show I can able to access the two superclass properties into my one child class. So you can see with respect to this diagram, if you look at this diagram contains more than two base classes and only one child class. And with respect to this program contains two base classes, class A, class B, and only one child class. The child class is able to access the features from class A and class B. So here you can get the attribute also. You can able to get the methods also. But here the problem is with this multiple inheritance. What the problem? Suppose wide demo. Suppose one method. Okay, fine. Suppose the method name is ambiguity. This is a method. Now wide ambiguity is a method is present in a class A also, and wide ambiguity is a present method in a class B also. Definitely this will get the error. So guys, now I want to just do one thing. Now I'm trying to access c dot get ambiguity. So guys, just look at the example. So I'm trying to access ambiguity. You will get the error. So now C semicolon, control S, control F9. So let me stop the execution. So control S, the ambiguity with respect to this diagram, with respect to this. So you can see here, your compiler is getting ambiguity. It's an ambiguous request for member ambiguous, because ambiguous is a method, ambiguous is a function, is present in a class B also. Okay, class B, you can see here class B, and is present in also class A also. Are you getting, guys? Are you getting? Yes or no?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, this creates the ambiguity. So how can I solve this problem? How can we solve this problem? So that problem can be solved in one more way that I will go in another program. So guys, this is the problem. Guys. So this ambiguity you can remove by using scope resolution operator into the subclass. So control F9, control F10. So this is the existing program that I can able to access the features from one class to another class.